fans. Today we're gonna look at a new model from Temu. This time we're gonna test this F-16 Falcon. Yes, this is not an EGF, and this plane there is one propeller in each wing that's control how you turn the plane. So this is for park flying, and you can fly home, and you can use it as a, what you call it in a bar C, coffee plane when you have a coffee break at the airfield. For flying bigger models we can use this to have fun, or we can have dogfight and stuff. So this is a EPP, so it can handle crashes, and it has a 6-axis gyro for stabilization. It has a controller that looks like an Xbox control. It has lights. It has one cell's LiPo battery, so it's very cheap to buy more of them. You can charge them from a computer or your mobile phone charger. So you can click on the link below this video, or use the code in the search bar for Temu. You can create an account and use this code to get things cheaper, and you have a bundle pack. So use the code, use the link, and see what you can get from Temu. And you can see this t-shirt. Very thin, very good. It's from Temu. It's very cheap, and I need thin clothes, so this is perfect for me. Let's open the box. I use this knife, of course, from Temu. Let's see what this box contains. Look at this. It's so sweet. This controller, it's about 150 to 250 meters range. Yeah, we go for 200, I think. Throttle, and you can down, up, and you can turn. Very easy to use. The plane, it's like this. It's very easy to build. It's very lightweight. So you can see the propeller, the engines for steering the plane, throttle and left and right, and you have these elevators for up and down. But this is enough to have fun. So the other part is this bag with landing gears, a screwdriver and spare propeller blades. So the only assembling you have to do is put this stabilizer at the plane like this. So now you're almost ready to fly. You have to charge your batteries. The battery is here, battery hatch, and you have these cables and regular small LiPo battery. So you can fly 10 minutes or so. You have to charge about an hour, I think. So it's a simple RC plane for kids, for grown-ups, and they even have this very soft nose tip. Yeah. I just have to show you, there's 4 AAA batteries for this controller. And you have spare propeller blades, and to detach them from the engine you have to use this tool. So let's put on the landing gears, charge the battery, and then I want to go to the airfield to fly this. I don't fly in our garden, it's not big enough. Houses and trees everywhere. When you're ready to fly, turn on the transmitter, turn on the plane like this. When you give throttle, the engine's gonna spin. Also when you turn. And you have this elevator. So this is very easy to fly. The sound is really sweet. You can see the 6-axis gyro is working. When the plane is going down, the plane gives signal to the elevator, so it will go up. And when it go up, it gives signal so it will go straight forward. Yeah. It's gonna be fun to test this coffee plane. Let's go outside and test it. Nice, good. Some wind. You can handle some wind also. Yeah, perfect. You can have some fun with this plane. But you fly with the problem.
What this does?
Control the plane. Push this, it's faster. Okay, full throttle. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Try to land it over here. It. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. No, you're good.